Hi everybody, I'm Sarah Beth in the Urban Accents Kitchen. So many of you have been using our plant-based meatless mixes to eat a little lighter, and we are so excited to show you some new flavors that we've added to the lineup. Each of our plant-based meatless mixes uses protein from soybeans, and 1 pouch replaces 1 pound of ground meat in some of your most favorite go-to recipes. The process is simple. Pour the pre-seasoned mix into a bowl, stir in 1 cup of hot water, and then set it aside for about 5 minutes while the mixture rehydrates. Let's make our hearty mesquite chili. While our mix hydrated, I prepped some ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 onion chopped, 1 green pepper chopped, some canned tomato sauce, 14 to 16 ounces, whatever size can you have, 1 can of pinto beans, and the full pouch of rehydrated mix. We'll start by adding our oil to a stock pot or a Dutch oven. Then we want to add both the onion and green pepper into the pot. We'll saute this over medium-high heat for about 5 or 6 minutes until they're softened and translucent. Our onions and peppers are looking really good, so it's time to put in the entire package of hydrated Hearty Chili meatless mix. We'll cook this, stirring occasionally 3 to 5 minutes until all of those spices smell warm and toasty. This is smelling really good, and it's time to put in the tomato sauce and the beans. Give it a stir to combine and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. If it starts to look a little thick, just add a splash of water as needed. Let's try some of this hearty mesquite chili. It smells really good. As for any chili, you gotta have some really good garnish. For vegan chili, I like an avocado. This might substitute for sour cream. I like some radish. The chili has a very mild heat, so I like to put in a little fresh jalapeno and then just a shower of green onion. Doesn't that look delicious? The texture of the meatless mix is kind of like a ground turkey, like a turkey chili. And I really like the creaminess of the pinto beans. The fresh jalapenos add a nice kick. It's bold but not spicy. This makes quite a large batch, and it's perfect for meal prep. If this looks good to you, you should try out all of our plant-based meatless mixes. For this recipe and more, go to urbanaccents.com. We've got your back in the kitchen. Every last bean now, come on. I need all y'all in here, come on.